Alice, do you remember this sound? What's this? Yes. And this is a snake. What other words do you remember? What begins with S? Snake. Spoon.
Spider.
Spider. Oh, Alice, I have a great idea. Let's make a spider. Yes? Wait, what do we need? We need black paper. We need scissors. Scissors, yes? We need white paper. We need a pencil. Okay. A marker. And we need a glue stick. Great. Let's go. Okay. First, let's draw sound. It will be the body of our spider. Let's draw sound. And like this. Oh, you see, our body for a spider is ready. Alice, you can trace with your finger from the. Great. All right, but our spider needs legs. How many legs does the spider have? Do you remember how many legs? I can show you with my fingers. Can you count? 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The spider has 8 legs, so we're gonna cut out 8 legs for the spider. Yes, 8 legs. Let's use this paper too. Let's count. 1, 2, 7 and 8. So we have 8 legs. 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, first, Alice, let's stick the legs for the spider. Take the glue stick. Take the glue stick, please. And let's stick 4 from this side and 4 from another side, okay? 8 legs. Let's stick the legs for the spider. Yes, apply the glue and let's stick the legs. Stick the legs. 1 leg. Okay. Stick the legs. Mm-hmm. 2 and 2 more from this side. 2 more, maybe 3, 4. 3 and number 4 here. Let's stick number 4 here. And 4. Great. Now let's take these legs and stick them from another side. And 4. The last one. Number 4. 4 here. Great. The legs are ready. Alice, now let's fold the legs like this. Let's fold the legs. Oh, you see what color are the legs? Here they are. Blue. Yes. Fold the legs. Fold the legs. But look at the spider. The spider doesn't have what? Eyes. So we need the white paper. Yes. Let me cut out the eyes for your spider. I need 2 circles. Let me cut out. So we need to cut out the eyes for our spider. I'm gonna cut out 2 circles. Not so big circles. This small. And Alice, look. We need to stick the eyes first. Big. Let's stick them first and then draw pupils. Stick the eyes. Stick the eyes. Oh, the spider has big eyes. Yes, and now let's draw 2 small black circles. They will be the pupils. Draw, Alice. Bigger. That's big, yes. And here, Alice, draw here, in the middle. No, we need a circle, Alice. A circle like this. You see? A circle. Alice, look, our spider is ready. Is for spider. Spider. Yes, this is a spider. The spider can crawl. Now let's say goodbye. Yes? Goodbye.